When you select an Excel cell like this, on the bottom right hand corner, there's a black square that appears. This is called fill handle. There's 4 basic things a fill handle can do. The very first one would be to duplicate data. Simply click and drag. You can duplicate strings. You can duplicate numbers as well. Another way to duplicate would be to double click on it, and it duplicates every row until the very last row. It can also do duplication for formulas as well. Double click and it duplicates. The second thing it does is delete rows. So you select the table that you want to delete, click and drag, and it deletes rows of data. The third thing it can do, it creates sequence. Let's say this number here 1, 2, the next number will be 3 and 4 and 5 obviously. So you highlight those numbers and you drag and create a sequence of numbers. Not only sequence, let's say for example if you have a 2 times table, you highlight like that and you drag, it is still considered as a sequence, and it does a sequence of jumping numbers here. It also works with numbers that are real, like for example 1.2, 1.8, and then it does the calculation by itself for real numbers. It works for month as well. It works for date, day of the week, which is shortened, or long version of day of the week. The fourth thing that the fill handle can do is flash fill. Flash fill is basically a pattern extractor. What I mean by that is this. Let's say for example, if you type the first name like that, you select that first one and you drag your fill handle, and on this icon here, you click on it and you say flash fill. What it does is that it recognizes that it's only doing the first name and it fills the rest of the row accordingly. You can also add special characters like comma. Let's say for example ABC, comma, space 2, 4, 6. The difference is that between this and this is that I've got comma and space here. Again, same thing, click on your fill handle and drag, and on this pop-up window you click on flash fill and you'll copy the same pattern as well.